collected from TikTok and other short videos. Awesome super clips, we'll see that. Super sir, super. Awesome, super cool. What is the name of this man? How names the music? I don't know the name. Can you tell the name, man? 5 minutes crafts this.
உன் பேரை சொல்லும் போதே உள் நெஞ்சில் கொண்டாட்டம் உன்னோடு வாழத்தானே உயிர் வாழும் போராட்டம் நீ இல்லை என்றால் என்ன உன் பேரை சொல்லும் போதே உள் நெஞ்சில் கொண்டாட்டம் உன்னோடு வாழத்தானே உயிர் வாழும் போராட்டம் நீ இல்லை என்றால் என்ன உன் பேரை சொல்லும் போதே உள் நெஞ்சில் கொண்டாட்டம் உன்னோடு வாழத்தானே உயிர் வாழும் போராட்டம் நீ இல்லை என்றால் என்ன
Hey everyone, thank you for coming. I know you have a lot of questions. We did in fact encounter the Easter Bunny last night. The bunny made entry into our home at approximately 3 a.m. Our hope had been to pounce on the Easter Bunny and turn it into an Easter feast, but we were not able to subdue it at the scene, unfortunately. Frankly, we were not expecting it to be that big.
Yeah, it had to duck its head to get through the front door.
Over here, question. Yes. Over here. Danny from Cat News Now. When you say it had to duck its head, was that to make way for the ears? No, it was a...
Awesome, super cool. We'll see it another time. Come and say we'll see the show. Nothing will ever stop my show. He is continuing the show, super awesome.
அந்த டிரைவர் இவ்வளவு தூரம்
மெனக்கிடுறாரோ அந்த டிரைவருக்கு வழி கிடைக்கணும்ன்றதுக்காக இந்த நபரும் அதுக்கேத்த மாதிரி அந்த லெவலுக்கு இவருமே மெனக்கிடுறாரு. ஒரு உயிர் ஆபத்தான கட்டத்துல இருக்குன்ற விஷயத்த தெரிஞ்சு அடுத்த 10 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ள ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல இருக்கணும்ன்ற ஒரு பிரஷர்ல ஆம்புலன்ஸ் டிரைவர் வந்து வாகனத்தை இயக்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது நம்ம ஊர்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய டிராபிக்ல இருக்கிற நெரிசல்ல கூட்டத்துக்கு மத்தியில எப்படா ஓட்ட போறோம்னு கஷ்டப்படும் போது திறன்பட ஒரு ஆம்புலன்ஸ் டிரைவரும் ஓட்டுவாங்க. அவருக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணக்கூடிய வகையில இந்த மனுஷன்.
Great job, sir. Super bro. Bad day. Number 10 was pretty cool and sucks at ja. Drunk it's what we deserve. The crow is more clever than your rot. Brilliant man, thank you for your video. Wow, most people will say you don't brother a log while they're eating puppy stage and not one for a pit bull. There is such a thing as a bad dog because even and comments are all stating good about the man. Prabhudeva, a famous actor in Tamil language. Wow, his carom board striking is awesome, good, clear. See, he's pocketing the red coin. Awesomely clever guy. How he is pocketing the red coin. See the strikes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and is striking it correctly second time and it is going inside the pocket. Awesome, cool packet. I like this guy, Haji Ali Kharia.
What's your name? Hello. Can you say hello? How about hi? Hi. And Spanish, hola. Hola. And ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? And we don't go fast enough. You want to hurry. Arriba, arriba. Hurry. Arriba, arriba. All right, we're going to sing, okay? Okay. Okay, can we do old MacDonald at a farm? Very good.
That bird has talent.
We have a lot of animals.
Put Coffee Official Helen Ayazi and so cute and funny. I love it and beautiful. Super awesome, cool bird. The bird is so talented, amazing, very beautiful, very talented. Kitty wanted some lively fish. Looks like hello lol. CVS, don't go white noise. What that happens? Dead pixels or crack appears. I can't believe it took him so long to go for it. First Solomon. And like.
Can you do a horse? Good. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?